Civic. I'm flossing in my Civic. I'm riding in my.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy back with another one. Today we got a package we are going to open, and this package comes from our dear friends over at Super Clean. So shout out to Super Clean for working with us. Super Clean, I do apologize for taking so long to get this video up. It has just been madness. Life has been happening, but I do appreciate the opportunity to continue to work with you guys. And with that said, it's time for another giveaway. Another giveaway. So, all you gotta do to be entered to win on this giveaway is you gotta comment down below. Your name to be entered to win in the video. Then in, I don't know, say week or two time frame on New Year's or New Year's Eve. Yeah, let's do New Year's Eve. On New Year's Eve, we'll pick a winner. So you don't have that long to enter. This is real last minute. Well, not real last minute, but I wanted y'all to start the new year off with one of the best cleaning products out there, and that is from Super Clean. Thank you, Super Clean, for the sticker and the information, great information about the products and everything like that. It is important to let you guys know Super Clean does work best with cold water, and it is important to never let Super Clean dry on surfaces. So definitely make sure that you are keeping it not only wet, but keep it cold. So cold water, and never let it sit and dry on the surface, and you should be good. You can find Super Clean in these places: Ace Hardware, Advance, Amazon, I ain't never seen that one before. Okay, Blair's Farm and Fleet, Do It Best, Hills, Fleet Farm, Lowe's, Myher, Minyards, Napa, O'Reilly's, Orgill, True Value, and Walmart. I apologize about the brightening that's going on here. Let me see if I can brighten it up some more. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. So yeah, like I said, and all these places is where you can find Super Clean. Make sure you get your Super Clean today. If you're gonna get Super Clean, I personally would say get it from your local O'Reilly's, because O'Reilly's are everywhere. But in the event that you do not get it, and there's not an O'Reilly's around you, then by all means, go to Walmart. Okay? Go to Walmart. Home of the low prices. So what they sent me out here is the new Easy Aerosol can. Use this to super tough messes on brakes, grills, and engines. And then we also have the spray that most of us have all known and come to grow and love. Dissolves grease super easy and super fast. Tough task cleaner and degreaser. So in today's video, it's gonna be a little bit different because we taking it to the grill. Yeah, you heard it, to the grill. We've been cooking all year, and usually I don't have the time to just clean it afterwards. So we're gonna put Super Clean to the test on my grill that don't be getting a whole lot of love. So for that one, we will be using the aerosol can from Super Clean. One more thing, when using Super Clean, you always want to use eye protection. Always use eye protection and gloves. Eye protection and gloves, because you only get one set of eyes. Okay? PSA. Ahead of time, I do apologize for my neighbors' ridiculous ass dogs. So here we have my grill that, like I said, is in need of some loving for sure. So we got our brush that we're gonna agitate it with to clean, and then we're gonna get a little bit of water too. Alright, so we got our water. We're gonna sprinkle it on there like that. No, actually you can probably just be a little bit more messy with it. Cold water, all that good stuff. And we'll just do this side so we can have a comparison when we look at the other side of the grill. All right, so got that on there. Shake our Super Clean up real good like that. And then we're gonna take our Super Clean and we're gonna spray. Now, does it tell us how we should spray it? Cover the surface with Super Clean in the appropriate strength, allowing time to dissolve grease and grime. Do not allow it to dry on the surface. So it actually, when it sprays from this aerosol can, is very, like, it has nice coverage. A mask wouldn't be a bad idea either. So we're gonna let this sit, and yeah. All right, so now that we've let this sit and we scrubbed it off and everything, I'm gonna take you back out here and you're gonna look at it and you can see that it works. All right, so this is the day after. We let it sit, dry, whatever, and you can see that there's a significant difference. This side hadn't been touched, still greasy, versus this side, nice and whatever to the touch. I think it's getting time to get ready to retire this old girl. Cooked on one of them pellet grills for the first time at Christmas. My sister bought one, and yeah, I'm thinking about going down that road. Of course, you don't have the, I don't know, what's the word I'm looking for? You don't have the, damn, can't think of the word. You don't have the flexibility to just be wherever, but I'm right here close to the house anyway. So, yeah. So if anything, I think that is a reason to not really have to worry about it by itself. So, but like I said, you know, run run a thing over there. One of the things that I did like about the pellet grill, man, it's easier, like for it to maintain whatever temperature it's supposed to be on. Like, it's gonna do what it need to do, and it's not as much as a headache, whatever. You know, screw it. You know, coming to the 21st century. So, in that event, I mean, that means it's just time to get rid of my old faithful grill here. Which this one I bought when we first bought the house, but that's been years. That's been years ago. So now, so when we bought this house, 16. So it was like 7 years ago. This grill like 7 years old. We ain't really take care of it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, don't get me wrong, it'll still get the job done, kinda. Some stuff is non-functional. Doesn't function the way it's supposed to, so yeah. It's probably time to just go ahead and let that go. Especially this one. This one probably got a little bit more time with us, but it really ain't no need to have both of them. Cause this one I really don't even use no more. It really just houses. It just houses the charcoal starters and stuff. So 9 times out of 10, if I grill on that bigger one, and that bigger one, I feel like it takes more charcoal and shit to get that joint started. So, like I said, pellet grill might be on the works. I ain't even gonna try to sell this thing. I'm gonna pull that bad boy out to the curb week after next, and bye Felicia. Bye Felicia. So, yes sir. So like I said, make sure you comment on this video. Say you want the super clean, hashtag super clean in the comments to be entered to win, or just comment to enter the win. And then on November 1st, well, not November, January 1st, we're gonna pick a winner, and that's what's up.